Hello ladies and gents, boys and girls, people and aliens, anyone who's watching this video, welcome YouTube land. This is That Snazzy iPhone Guy here with you today, and we're going to be taking a look at a pretty neat app called Speed Test. Now this was available on the internet, but now it's a native app to the iPhone. It's free, so check it out, and we'll be reviewing it and checking it out right here on That Snazzy iPhone Guy. Thank you guys for watching. And let's get started. I don't know what that was all about. I was like ending it, but then I just started it. Element of surprise. So before we get started, a few things. I've got a few developers that have accepted to join the podcast. This is going to be really cool, guys. I'm going to make that content exclusive to my website. That's snazzyiPhoneGuy.com. I'm not going to post it on YouTube. I'm not going to put the feed on iTunes, I've decided, so I'm going to have to pull that off. But just check up periodically. We do new podcasts, they're audio podcast episodes, and I think they're going to be pretty cool, guys. I think they'll be enjoyable to see what developers like and what they do. And for those episodes we don't have a developer, they might be kind of boring. And but, you know, we'll have to figure out something to do, because I'm not going to get someone to interview every week. You know, that'd be awesome if I did, but it just is not going to happen. So I need to find something else that I can do. I did listener questions in episode 2. I don't know, send me ideas. What should I do for the podcast? And check it out. That's snazzyiPhoneGuy.com. I have a hit counter and it's still sitting in the 20s or 30s, and it's been almost a week. So come on, guys, get to it. If you're a true subscriber, get to my website and click on them ads, because that's the only way I'm generating revenue from this. And that's the only way I can buy cases and all that stuff to review and apps for you guys. So click them Google ads. Now what are we going to look at? We're going to look at Speed Test. This is a pretty neat little application for the iPhone. We'll turn this down. What it does is it measures the speed in which your iPhone runs, downloads and uploads data. So it's being collected on their central server, and they use this data for saying, oh, most people in Salt Lake City, Utah have let's see, test is almost done, 433 kilobits per second average. That's the download speed. The upload speed is obviously slower because uploading sucks. 79 kilobits per second, and that's on the 3G network, as you can see right there. And so what you do is then you go and test your other things. Sorry, let me zoom out a little. You go and test Wi-Fi, alright? I got Wi-Fi turned on, and I think I'm going to connect to it. There we go. You push Speed Test, and not that other app I bought and kind of regret because it sucks, version 1.0. You push Begin Test. And latency test is beginning. Download progress. Come on, hurry up. At speedtest.net, so you can compare data with other people. It's funny because the 3G speed in Salt Lake is way faster than that of the people in Chicago, you know, because Chicago there's way more iPhones. The 3G network is being more vastly used. Can't talk. But anyway, so there's nice little, it looks good. It's a clean interface. A download, that was much faster. Upload was 1,000,000 times faster. Not really, but at least 10 times faster. Okay, now we'll go back one more time, and we'll activate the Antichrist Edge. And it might take me a second to toggle my chips up off the top. You might see no service here for a minute. And there we go. Come on. Alright, there we go. Speed test. Oh wait, Edge has not yet popped up. There we go. Alright. Server list, come on. And we do one more test. And you just test the different kinds you can do. And this helps. There's some really interesting data. You can see really cool, clean maps on their website. They go, oh, people in Salt Lake have an average of this, and in this area of Salt Lake, there's faster download speed than this area of Salt Lake, and stuff like that. It's a really neat, really fun little app, and you can only make this successful by doing it yourself. So take some time, download the app. It's free, and I mean, it's called Speed Test from speedtest.net. It's a great app, guys, and you're really helping out the project. See, that one's, Edge is terrible. My settings, you can change it to kilobits per second, megabits per second, kilobytes per second. and then you can sort the history by date, download, upload, and here is your results. Now I've done a bunch of tests, but it shows you Wi-Fi, cellular. So this is the one we started on, 3G. It tells you the time and date, the download, upload speed, and then your ping, and then it tells you did it from cellular, what server you're using, why it's Fort Worth, Texas, I'm not exactly sure. Shows you the external IP, the internal IP, the latitude and longitude of the test that was taken, and that result is posted. So that was with Wi-Fi. See, it knew I'm in Salt Lake City that time. Now, for some reason, when I'm on Richfield, Utah, I don't know why. Anyway, so I don't know what that's all about. The servers are always weird. But I mean, Richfield, Utah is understandable. But my 3G, it set me in Denver, Colorado a few times ago. So I don't know. It might be the same server. They might just cover all those 2 states with one. But you can email your results to people. Crud, I shouldn't have hit that because that quit the application. Darn it. Okay, results, and then there's the about, and you can see what their project is. Ookla, that's the operator. They operate speedtest.net, massive global infrastructure, blah 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 blah. It tells you the download speeds, and then there's a link somewhere. I don't know where it is, but there's a link to hit up their website. So just help out the cause, help out the project. It's pretty neat. Speed test in the App Store for free, and you'll see how fast you're uploading and downloading content. Thank you guys. This is That Snazzy iPhone Guy, and I will see you soon. Stay snazzy.